set and we are gonna unbox it. Although it's quite heavy to carry around, but then I think it's very useful for cyclists. This is a chain rivet extractor. This is the repair kit. There's a rubber cement inside. We also have this cartridge bottom bracket tool, 2 Phillips and 2 flat screwdriver, a freewheel remover, a headset wrench, a spot adjuster. This is a PSI meter, small screwdriver. This is the freewheel turner with the chain whip. In Singapore, we call this pana. This is Allen key set. We got different sizes of con wrenches. One is 15 to 13, one is 16 to 14. Look what we have here. We have this big body. This is pedal wrench. A bottom bracket lock ring tool. Cotterless crankarm extractor. 3 tire levers, and they are so cute. They look like toys. This is an adjustable forged steel wrench. An adjustable bottom bracket tool. Finally, we have this Hex Key Wrench with the hexagonal wrenches here.